Hello everyone. As we know, water get contaminated very easily, and how to purify this water, there are different methods of purification: using cloth, using alum, boiling, treating water with iodine, or modern methods like ion exchange method, use of ultraviolet lights, ozonite treatment, use of activated carbon, or reverse osmosis, which we call as RO. Today we are going to learn about water filtration tower, and we will demonstrate water filtration tower by using this kit which is called as water filtration demonstration kit. Now for demonstration of water filtration kit, we have prepared one test solution. Here in this solution you can see there is a mud water. Okay, this is prepared and we are going to purify this mud water. If you open the box of this water filtration kit and look at the content of the kit, you will find that in this box there are different things which you will get. First and most important thing which you will get in this water filtration kit is this instruction manual. Water filtration instruction manual. It has each and every process and whatever, like in case if you want to prepare a report, it has everything in it. Okay, so this is a instruction manual. Apart from this, if you open this box, in this box there is a alum crystals are provided. Then here there is a activated carbon which is provided. Then these are the different granite particles of different sizes: largest size, then medium size, then the smallest size. Apart from this, there are some cotton pieces and food color with a dropper. And now these are the plastic tubes or plastic cups from which we are going to build a tower. So you can see these cups get fitted into each other very easily and from the bottom. Okay, now if you look at the cup carefully, this bottom is having some certain amount of holes in it. Now there are different activities which you can prepare or you can perform actually using this kit. First is you can use alum, then you can use activated carbon, you can demonstrate filtration method. Today, first of all, we will directly try to assemble the filter column, water filtration column, using the entire material of the kit. Now let's start how to assemble the column. For assembling the column, you will need this funnel. That black color funnel is provided in the kit. Then this is the base of the tower. Then these are the plastic cups. Now how to proceed with the this process? You are given such type of filter paper which are cut in a circular form. You are supposed to put one filter paper at the bottom of each plastic cup like this. Now once you have placed this filter paper at the bottom of plastic cup, to make it the position firm, you can add 1 or 2 drops of clean water to each and every cup so that filter paper will not move from its position. So this is a first step. Now see, when tower is built from base to top, now we are having different size of the particles. If you open the pouch, so this is labeled as a medium size. This is a medium size. Then we are having big size. Then this is a small size. So these are the different sizes. What we are going to do, we are going to fill each size of granite crushed particles into one single cup. So for example, if I am filling this with small size, more than half of the cup you are supposed to fill, or at least half. Then I am having this big size, so I will pour this big size granite particles into this cup. Now, as you can see, this is a small size, big size, medium size, and this is a activated carbon. See, what is the law or what is the basic thing, like from top to the bottom of the column, the particle size keep on decreasing. As per that rule, what I am going to do, I am going to put activated carbon at the base of the door. See, it's very easy to put. There is a hole, you just need to press it. Then small size, then medium size, and on the top of it, it is a big size, and then on the top of the big size there is a filtration or funnel. So it's something like this tower has been made. This is how your filter tower will look like. Okay, and here there is a top. Now here also we can add one small filter paper. Now see, we have prepared a sample, a mud water. Once the sample is ready, what I am going to do, I am going to pour this from the top. Now see, from the top it's coming down, and drop by drop it's filling the second layer, from second layer to third, and from third to fourth, and from fourth to last. Now that from fourth is the last layer, that is the activated carbon layer. As you can see, the rate of filtration decreases from top layer to the bottom layer. So it becomes very slow when it comes to the activated charcoal. Okay, and at the base of this tower box there is a water which is clear. This mud water we have filtered. This mud water we have filtered, and we got this clear water. Still, one more precaution you should take. This water is not yet ready to drink, so do not drink the water. It need to go through many chemical process yet. But this is a basic demonstration how filter tower works in industries as well, or in different areas. So from bigger particles to the smaller particle at the bottom. In general, the filtration on the large scale is done in stages to get out with excessive quantity of the flow rate. That is, the initial filtration is done through the large pores to retain the big size impurities. Then with the smaller pores to restrict the finer impurities. The filter medium can be cleaned and regenerated again and again. You can also reuse these particles by washing it. But it is advisable to do not reuse activated charcoal. Every time you should use new activated charcoal. Do not drink this water, as it needs additional treatment to make it drinkable.